Artificial intelligence is changing the way students learn, research, and write. In this video, I will show you 5 practical artificial intelligence prompts that can save time and help you study more effectively. Many students ask AI questions that are pre-generated and then wonder why the answers are not helpful. The secret is to give AI context, telling whom or what was studying and what kind of answer you need. The more context you provide, the better the response becomes. First one should know is explain this like from not asking for traditions. You're asking complicated language and explain the whole idea in simple terms. This is one of the fastest ways for studying difficult subjects. Once you understand the basics, ask AI to teach you. You can say, teach me this topic step by step, or ask it to create a learning plan. Instead of giving one long answer, AI becomes a person to and guide you through the subject one concept at a time. Our second prompt is simple but incredibly effective. After AI explains the concept, ask it to give you 2 or 3 real-life examples. Examples help you connect theory with practical situations, making it much easier to understand and remember what you have learned. Our third prompt is one to groundwork and question. Instead of asking for right write what you must about yourself and then ask AI. It can make your emails, samples, and clear, more efficient and easier to do while still keeping your original research. Here is where AI becomes very powerful. Start by asking AI to explain the concept simply, then ask it to think through a good example. Finally, ask it to move or learn something like a line prompts like this. Give them much for learning experience. The biggest mistake beginners make is treating AI like a subject. Instead, think of it as a learning partner. Ask follow-up questions, request different explanations, and challenge the answers. The more you interact with AI, the more useful it becomes. Let's quickly recap the 3 prompts we have covered today. First, ask AI to explain the difficult topics in simple language. Second, ask for real-world examples to make concepts easier to understand. And third, use AI to improve your own writing instead of letting it write everything for you. These 3 prompts alone can make studying with AI much more effective. I hope these AI prompts help you study smarter and save time. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing to Practical AI Guide for practical AI tutorials designed for beginners. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.